Education today is moving towards a more interactive and immersive experience that encourages student engagement and displays stimulating teaching content. BenQ's EZWrite 5.0 is a cloud-based interactive whiteboard that allows educators to present their teaching materials and annotate anywhere. To join the cloud whiteboard, simply scan the QR code or use the link provided. EZWrite offers two types of collaboration modes. In broadcast mode, students can follow the lecture without being able to interrupt the classroom. In co-creation mode, students can follow the lecture while also being able to collect, categorize, edit, and share notes between the IFP and mobile devices. Both modes allow any device that has a Chrome or Safari browser to join. EZWrite also allows teachers to directly access their cloud storage so that they can easily download and upload their files. Teachers can load their teaching materials from the cloud, make notes, then save the files back to the cloud at the end of the lecture. BenQ IFP has a powerful feature called the floating tool that allows teachers to annotate, record, and screen capture anytime, anywhere, including on any apps, docs, input sources, or even videos. Recording the entire lecture includes what's on the board, what is being discussed in class, and any audio coming out of the speakers. The advanced screen capture feature can either capture the entire or parts of a screen, and after it is captured, users can save or import it directly into EZWrite for further discussion. BenQ IFP uses fine IR that allows the display to detect touch points as thin as 1 millimeter. Instead of using a stylus, students can use brushes on the display and the board will draw the line the same thickness as the brush's contact point. The precision in the sensors allow EZWrite to enable dual pen mode that supports pens or objects to write simultaneously with different colors. The board is also smart enough to know when you are using a pen to write or your palm to erase, making EZWrite as easy to use as a traditional whiteboard. EZWrite includes an assortment of wallpapers to fit all types of classes. And if there isn't one that perfectly suits your needs, simply import one. There's also a page manager that allows a teacher to reorganize, duplicate, and delete pages. The toolbox includes a lot of useful features like a calculator, stopwatch, and timer. The geometry lets teachers sketch shapes into the toolbox and turns it into perfect shapes. Split screen divides the screen up so that different teams can approach the board to share their different ideas. Handwriting Recognition converts handwriting to text. Made a mistake? No problem. Simply cross out any mistakes. Need to draw a flow chart to describe a complicated process? Simply draw the shapes and connect them. Easy. EZWrite 5.0 is true to its name. It's simple and straightforward to use.